What's up guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Nike Sacai LDWaffles with collaborations from Clot and Undercover. This is just a couple of the many triple collaborations from Nike and Sacai this year. Not sure if this is a new strategy or the resale landscape is changing, but quite a few of these pairs are very much accessible. With the exception, of course, of the fragment ones from the first batch of this release. Or maybe it's just getting too saturated now. Either way, if you love the shoes, then it's a good thing that they're starting to get easier and easier to cop. I took an L on the fragments. I was hoping to catch the navy blue one, but then again, I got wins on some of the other ones that I really like. Never really had the intention to complete the set, but I got most of the pairs that I was gunning for, which was the Kiss of Death 2 from Clot and the Bright Citron and Midnight Spruce from Undercover. The materials on this varies from each additional collaborator on top of Nike and Sacai. The idea, it seems, is to mix the signature Sacai LDWaffles and use the colorway of the popular previous Nike collaborators. I can only speak for the Clot and Undercover ones, because those are the only pairs that I have. With Clot, it features that see-through mesh design aesthetic that they're known for, but it's not as pronounced as the Orange Blaze. I like this colorway, it's muted and it can go with anything. Smart casual to full-on street fit. The Undercover ones I think are based on the previous Nike Daybreak collaborations, specifically the Bright Citron and the Gyakuso series for the Midnight Spruce. I like the materials better on the Undercover ones. They scream classic. The mix of smooth leather and hairy suede is really well done. The Clot, on the other hand, is expected. I think it's not really ideal for Clot to not use the see-through mesh at this point. I thought the Midnight Spruce was the best of the bunch, but after wearing them, the Clot Kiss of Death 2 is my number one, followed by the Midnight Spruce, then the Bright Citron. I don't think it's necessary to get all of them, unless you're a massive collector, or just genuinely wanted them all. Either way, they're very nice pairs to have in your collection, and they're really easy to cop now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.